And so we can also do basic statistics. Now, if you haven't had statistics, these won't make a ton of sense to you. I'm going to go ahead and delete that frame. We'll go back to our basic Pandas data frame with all of the things in it. But if I want to say df shape, the shape of this data frame, it's telling me how many rows and how many columns it has. So that's the most basic piece of information. But if I say df.describe, it will give me basic descriptive statistics about those things. And why is it only saying age and pets? Because the other things are strings. You can't do statistics on strings. Okay, so there are some things you can do with strings, but not descriptive statistics. So the count is going to be the same, 400 rows. The mean is the average, standard deviation, the minimum value. So the youngest person in this data set is 18. The number of pets, lowest number is 1. The 25th percentile, 50th percentile, 75th percentile, and the maximum. So we have somebody with 8 pets and somebody who's 64 years old. That does not mean that the person who's 64 years old has 8 pets. That just is getting the independent minimum and maximum for each thing. So if I want to get just one piece of data, okay, I can do something like that. And so what I'm doing here is getting the mean, the average of age. And it's telling me that this is a float, 64-bit number, and that's the response there. Now, if I print that, then I just get the number. Okay, so if I take that and assign it to a variable like mean age and print mean age, that's what I get. So if I print that object or the actual result of this, it tells me what type of number it is. But if I just want the number itself, I can do that. Okay, I can do, I want to try something random here. Okay, so I cannot do this because it only allows me to do one. So I can do median, I can do maximum or minimum. So lots of different things you can try with descriptive statistics in here. The one of the bummers about Jupyter that you might not like very much is that it doesn't help you at all. There's no code completion here. So the nice thing, of course, about this is that if I say print df age, I can start printing out things there and it will help me out. And then it tells me things like that I want. But I still prefer this for exploring data very much.